In this section, I'm going to look at the SUMIF function, which is actually a mathematical function. If we look at the data here, we've got units sold. Over here, we've got the value of each unit. And over here, we've got the total, which is basically this multiplied by this. Now, what I want to do if I click here is I want to see the total value of sales where each salesperson sold more than $6,000 worth in a month. Now, in this case, that's over 6,000 and that's over 6,000. So the result I want to see in here is basically this number plus this number. So as usual, I go and click on where it says formulas, but this time I go and click on where it says math and trig. And if I scroll down to where it says SUMIF, which is here, and click, this dialog box opens up, and the first thing I need to do is to specify a range. Now I could type it in, but easier is just click here, drag down, let go, and then it specifies the range, which in this case is D4 through to D10. In the criteria section, what I need to do is to specify a criteria. Now in this case, we want to look at all sales above 6,000, so we enter greater than 6,000. If we click on the OK button, there's a result. So what it's done, it's basically added that number and that number. If I click here to look at the function that's been inserted, it's saying it's going to use the SUMIF function, and it's going to look at this range here, and basically only some items above 6,000 within the given range, i.e. there to there. And as I say, if you add that number to that number, you'll find it does come to 13,000, so that's correct.